Hey there, Jen Maynard here from the Wedding Business Growth Coach and founder of the Boho Bride Guide. Do hope all is well. Are you a wedding supplier based down in the Southwest looking to increase your supplier network and learn something new to move your business forward? Well, I have got just the face-to-face networking event for you. On the 3rd of December, I will be hosting a Wedding Business Growth Workshop down in Devon at the beautiful venue of Higher Holcombe. We will be meeting and mingling with fellow fabulous wedding suppliers, making new connections to move our businesses forward. As part of the event, I will be taking you through the next Grow workshop, where we will be talking about how to repurpose our content like a wedding boss. And I will be teaching you the secrets of how regular blogging can transform your social media schedule, gain more traffic to your website, and turn that traffic into wedding inquiries. So I very much hope you are able to join us. We still have a few tickets available, so please have a look at the comments below for all the details. We would love to see you there, and so take care. Bye bye.